How to add products to your wish list on Walmart.com. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Walmart.com allows you to save products to your wish list so that you can easily find them later, keep track of items you're interested in, and share your list with others. So in order to add the product to your wish list, first of all, open any web browser of your preference and type in Walmart.com in it. Also make sure that you're logged into your existing Walmart.com account by entering the correct login credentials. After you're signed into the homepage of Walmart, go ahead and search for the product you want to save. You can also browse categories from the top or recommendations. Click open a product you want to add to your wish list. And now, in the product preview section, you'll see a small heart icon. Just click on that. Repeat this step for every other product you want to add to your wish list. Right after the heart icon fills, you'll be able to add the product to your wish list right away. Once you do that, in order to check your list, go to the top right corner from the home screen and click on this My Item button and select List. Now here, you'll be able to see your list. Select Open Your List and you'll see the product added in your wish list. So that is how it's done. Saving items to your wish list helps you keep track of products you want to purchase later and makes your shopping experience more convenient. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.